Goof Troops, Goof Troops, hey, Goof Troops. Time for Goof Troops.
Hush it up.
Hey guys, as you can see, we're back with another box opening for the Littles collection. From the Littles collection, we have uh her name is Lucy Goof. Some little girl, I don't know her name, y'all. She come in a stroller. She got a stroller that come with her. She come with a stroller. But yeah, I'm gonna open her up, and I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, guys, before I open her up, as you can see, she comes with sunglasses, a little comb, little purple cat comb, her little bottle, her little binky, and her stroller. Okay. Y'all see y'all.
Y'all
Look
excuse
at
my
her.
children. They are
Look
being
at the watch
very
the feet
rude in the
kick, y'all.
background. Just ignore the noise. They were playing
I
like
swear they be acting
cats
like
and
they don't want to
dogs.
do right. Anyway, look how cute.